So here we are at East Creek Revere campsite. I got this site. Found this little ditty as I was passing through. Someone knows I'm here. Bureau of Land Management. And it is our land. We have the right to stay here and camp here. So that's what we're gonna do. Pretty much nobody out here. Odds of me getting eaten by a bear, pretty high. So if I do, it's been a pleasure. Super sweet stars in the sky last night, so I'm about to make breakfast in my tent, have some hot coffee, warm up, get dressed, and get out of here and hit up Zion. Made it to the Riverwalk. It's the last stop on the bus shuttle. Pretty dope. Tons of people here, skin wet, loving life. Fucking up to my waist here. Feels good. That nice brisk water on the nuts just really keeps you going. Got away from a lot of the people. This is the quietest spot I've found so far, and it is freaking incredible. Well, this is where I stop. Apparently it just keeps going and going and going and gets more narrow, but being that I'm solo and it is 2:45, so it took me almost 3 hours to get to this point. I think I'm gonna start heading back. But wow, incredible. This is the Narrows at Zion National Park.